How are you guys doing? Like, really, have you guys engaged on my videos? You guys should make sure you go and watch my videos. All right, I posted a video yesterday and you're so gonna enjoy the topic, and it's something that's relatable, so please go check that out. All right, so I just came out with my husband. We came to buy egg because we don't have egg in the house. I baked yesterday and I baked cookies yesterday. The video will be going up soon, and I used majority of the eggs for that. So we came to get some eggs, and close to our house there's a lady that sells eggs, but she doesn't sell in crates. She sells one. So we came to buy crates. We just drove out to buy crates of eggs. I haven't brushed, I haven't bathed. Like, see me, I'm still in my nightwear. And this young man said I should follow him. So I said, okay, let's go. Let me just leave the house. I've not left the house in about 1 week or more. So guys, I don't know how my day is going to be, but I'll really try. I'll carry you guys along. All right? See my hair now. I don't even know what I want to do with my hair, so I just pack it like this. I'm treating very bad scalding. I don't know what. I'm having scabs like all over my hair. So I currently yesterday I rubbed because I washed it like 2 days ago. So I currently put this Damatol on it. That's what I'm using to treat it. It will go, then after a while it comes out again. I really don't know. So guys, are you seeing my skin? I'm treating my spots, and if I do say so myself, my skin is skinning. Then see my nails. This is what comes from fixing nails. I fixed my nails myself, and I don't know, my nails are just breathing for a while. You will hardly ever find me. You guys will hardly ever find me without nails. Like, if you know the kind of person I am, I'm someone that the world could literally be coming to an end, and if my nails are done and I stare at my nails, I feel okay. It's very therapeutic for me. So I'm just taking a break so that my nails can heal. I'm not even going for the long nails again because those ones keep hurting me. So I'm just gonna be doing like very short nails. If I'm not gonna do like French tips, then I'll do the red one. Okay, so that's that. Say hi.
Who is that?
Say hi.
Hello, people. No, there's nothing.
Okay guys, I'm back home and I want to make breakfast. We're having extra plantain. Ah, peace. Now this oil won't carry fry this thing. Give me oil. Oh, oh, my figure. And while we're at it, see, we're relocking our beautiful hair. Please turn now. Now, wow, we've relocked here and the back. So today we're finishing off the rest. Up on the chef roll. Where's the Quincy? I'm marrying here. You know, Sabi nothing. This spoon is everything. Anybody that cooks, you know what this spoon means.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, okay.